You.
Puzzle time again for today's video.
Wow.
Wow.
What's that? Number 1. Can you say number 1? Next. Next one. Let's keep it there. Next. Okay. Next. Number 8. Wow. Clap your hands. Hep, hep. Hep, hep. Okay, next. Number 10. Oh, next. Multiplication. Where to put the multiplication? Wow. Hep, hep. 2. Okay, next. Okay, next. 3. Very good. Oh, where to put the number 3? Where? Up. Okay, the 0. Up.